everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Botim login issue. In order to fix the Botim login issue, you want to ensure you have a physical SIM card and activate mobile or an active mobile number. So basically when you try to open a Botim app, in my case I'm already logged in. So I'm going to simply click on the initials and then log out from here. So when I log out from here, I'm going to actually face a login issue, right? So what you have to do is you need to make sure that you're using a physical SIM card. You also need to double check that you've entered the phone number correct when you're trying to log in, since Botim does not require any sort of verification. So all you need to do is provide your link phone number and enter in the verification code that's going to be sent to you, the registered phone number. And if you're having trouble signing in with the desktop application, you could try logging in through an official website of botim.com by scanning the QR code within mobile number or within the mobile app. That could be able to help as well. Now, if nothing works out, then you could also try cleaning your data. So long press the Botim app, click on the app info icon, go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so leave it as it is. At the same time, head over to your respective app store, look for the Botim app and make sure to update the app to the latest version. And now after doing all this, you want to restart your device and check for your internet connection as well. And that's going to definitely help you out. So these are a couple things you could try to fix Botim login issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.